At sa halagang 18,000 monthly down payment nga, you can now own this 100 square meters single-attached house and lot here in Cavite through Pag-ibig Financing. Napaka-spacious ng floor layout natin, malaki ang lote, at eto na nga ang pinakamura naming single-attached project here in Cavite. So panoorin mo na ang buong house tour video. Hi Kaprima! It's me again, Cara Pepito Sabido, together with my husband Marian Sabido. And yes, isa nga to sa pinakamabentang property na meron kami ngayon. What you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover, and yes, basic or bare finish ang deliverable natin, kaya naman pwedeng i-customize mo upon turnover ng unit ang property na makukuha mo. Minimum lot area is 100 square meters na, at may corner lot at end lot unit pa tayong available. Floor area is 77.25 square meters, at ito ang provision mo for 1 to 2 carport. Provision for 3 bedrooms, may 2 toilet and bath ka na. And would you believe, sa Pag-ibig, monthly amortization pumapatak lang to ng 26,000 a month. Napakamura na ng rate na yan ha, compare sa other project with the same features. On pre-selling stage tayo, kaya perfect to sa mga client ko na hindi nagmamadaling lumipat and gustong mag-take advantage sa introductory price ng ating Linea and Carnation Mall. This unit is available in 2 sites, one in Dasma and the other one is General Trias, Cavite. Parehong magandang location, flood-free at fault-line-free. Magagamit mo ang Pag-ibig mo dito, and yes, pwede ka mag-co-borrower to meet the required income of 77,000 to 86,000. So paano? Tara, tripping na tayo. Contact us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO. See you soon at paalam!